Hi everyone, today I will show you how to check for invalid clicks in your Google Ads account. To make sure you aren't wasting your budget, let's dive in. First of all, log into your Google Ads account, click campaigns in the left side menu. Above the data table, click on the columns icon and select modify columns. Search for the performance section, find and check invalid clicks. Then apply. Now you can see exactly how many clicks Google identified as invalid clicks. The best part, Google automatically filters these out and refund your money, so you only pay for real traffic. That's it. Keep an eye on these numbers to monitor your traffic quality. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips.